Hello, Hearn Eagles, and welcome to our assembly.
Hello, boys and girls. So, what is a learner? A scholar is one who can slant. And what does slant mean? Let's go to the next slide. S stands for sitting up straight. L is listening. A, ask and answer questions. N, nod your head, yes or no. T, track the speaker. That means to look at the speaker whenever they move. And don't forget about Champ's behavior, boys and girls. Champ's behavior, C, means zero, level zero. We're silent. Our conversations are kept at a minimum of zero noise. H, raise your hand to ask for help. A, your activity level is listening. M, during the assembly, we're not moving, we're sitting down and sitting up. P, you're participating by applauding. And S, you show that you're a successful learner when you do all of these things. Okay. Remember, we're 5 houses, but we're all one school. And now let us say our pledge, our Hearn Elementary pledge. Ready? I come to school to learn and lead. Hearn Elementary is where you soar, safe, on task, act responsibly, respect self and others. It's a great day to soar.
Okay, friends, it's roll call time. Let's see what house is up first. All right, if you're in the Cedania house, let's stand up. Cedania, stand up. I'm watching the camera. If you're in Cedania, stand up and represent. Are we ready? 1, 2, 3. Listen, we are the green team singing in the halls. We're gonna win this thing. With spirit in place and a smile on our face, you can hear us cheering all over the place, saying, we will rock you, rock you. We will rock you, rock you. All right, great job, Zidania. Now, let's see how many house points Zidania is going to win today. All right, Miss Hinchin, spin that wheel.
Are you ready, Zidania? Let's see how many house points you've earned. Woohoo! You guys got 50 house points.
All right, good job, Zidania. All right, what's our next group, Miss Hinchin? Okay.
Zuzong.
Zuzong, stand up and represent if you're in the Zuzong house. Are we ready? Ready. Yeah, we collaborate. Yeah, we dominate. We don't get why y'all underestimate. Zuzong house is hot like fire. Got more hype than y'all can desire. Apples, strawberries, cherry, tomatoes, ketchup, fire truck, red mashed potatoes. All those things we said are red. We're the best thing since sliced bread. Zuzong, Zuzong, Zuzong. All right, Zuzong. Let's see how many house points you win for today.
All right, Zuzong. Let's see what we have. Woo! Zuzong, 125.
Wow. That was lucky, Zuzong. All right, Fuma, if you're in the Fuma house, stand up so you can represent your house. Stand up, Fuma. Stand up and say your chant loud and proud. Are we ready? 1, 2, 3. We are Fuma and we are strong. Let's all scream and shout our song. Fuma is great and Fuma is fast. We'll leave the others in the past. We're so good, we will not rest. We'll put the others to the test. All right, Fuma, great job. I can't hear you, but I know I can hear you down the hall chanting your cheers. Let's see how much house points that Fuma's gonna get today. All right, Hinchin, they're ready. Come on, let's get something good. Woo! Fuma also got 125 points. Lucky ducky, lucky ducky. All right, who's up next?
Masuwila.
Matuwila, stand up so you can represent. Are we ready? Stand up, friends. 1, 2, 3. Extra, extra, read all about it. Masuwila's gonna win, and there's no doubt about it. We're rough, we're tough, we're hard to beat. So come on, Orange, let's move our feet. All right, Masuwila, let's see how many house points you can get today. Hopefully it's 125. That seems to be the lucky number so far.
We missed it. We missed it.
75 points. All right, Masuwila, 75 points for this week. Great job. All right. Our next house is Shazar house. If you're the Shazar house.
Miss Washington,
Yes.
can I stop you for just a second?
Yes.
I'm looking at some of the rooms and I'm afraid that they may have missed the slant part and the champs part. And I see some people sitting that kind of scares me. They're not sitting correctly and I don't want them to get hurt. So boys and girls, make sure you're sitting up and you're listening and you're participating by saying your chants if it's your house and also listening and applauding. But please make sure you're sitting on your pockets. I'm sorry, Miss Washington.
Oh, no, thank you, because we need to make sure that we are using our champs during assembly time. So I'm glad you saw that, Miss Stewart. All right, Shazar, stand up and represent. Are we ready? 1, 2, 3. Yellow, yellow, like the sun. We're so bright, we're number 1. Yellow, yellow, we ain't mellow. Make your team look like Jello. Yellow, yellow, like the sun. We're so lit, come get you some. All right, Shazar, let's see how many house points you're gonna get for the week. Woo, 125 points. Good job, Shazar. All right, 125 is our lucky number. All
All
right.
right, friend. So now we're going to do the house students of the week. Miss Washington, when a student is selected as to represent that grade level, does the house they represent get some extra points?
Absolutely. If you were chosen as the house student of the week, and if that person that was chosen is in your house, you're going to get an additional 20 points for each person who was selected for your house. So let's keep our fingers crossed to see which students got selected and which house that they're going to represent, because we're going to add 20 additional points. Remember, we're working to see who's going to get the most points at the end of the 6 weeks.
All right, let's find out who was selected because they have great attendance, great grades, they work really hard, and they represent Hearn Elementary. Let's find out who we have at pre-K. At pre-K, we have Daisy, who's in Miss Crandall's class, and she is part of the Fuma house. So Fuma, you just got 20 more points. Great
Woo-hoo!
job, Daisy. At kindergarten, Christian. He was selected to lead kindergarten, and that means Shazar gets 20 points. Great job, Christian, from Miss V. Martin's class. And in first grade, we have Angel, and he is in Mrs. McDonald's class, representing the greenhouse, Zidania. So proud of you. So far, we've got someone from Zidania, someone from Fuma, and someone from Shazar. Let's see what else we have. Second grade, Princeton. And there is another friend for Shazar. Princeton, thank you so much for representing Shazar and for Hearn Elementary. And he is in Miss Perez's class. Third grade, Lauren from Miss Jenkins' class. Congratulations, Lauren. Thank you for showing us what a true leader looks like at Hearn Elementary. And you just earned Fuma another 20 points. Fourth grade, DeVincent. You are from Miss Harper's homeroom. And DeVincent got Fuma another 20 points. Let's find out who was going to represent fifth grade. Christian from Miss Best's class. Great job, Christian. We're so proud of you. And you just earned Shazar another 20 points. And in sixth grade, we have Luis from Mrs. Guerrero's class. And again, Luis is representing Shazar. So friends, Zidania got one set of 20 points, sorry. Fuma had 3 students, so that's 60 points. And Shazar had 4, which is 80 points. So I'm hoping that we have some students next week from some other houses. Remember, teachers and the leadership team are looking for students that have great attitudes, work super hard. They're Hearn Elementary leaders and they get good grades. Make sure that you're working hard to represent Hearn Elementary and your house.
Miss Hinton, if I can interrupt, I was doing some calculations when you were going over that information. And so if my calculations are correct, friends, Zidania now has a total of 70 points. Zuzong still has a total of 125 points. Fuma has
185 points.
185 points. 185 points. Matsuila still has 75. And so 20, 40, 60, 80 plus 125 gives us what, friends?
205
points. All right, so Shazar is 205 points. So right now they're in the lead, but we still have more time. We still have more time. We still have a few more weeks before the end of the 6 weeks. So we'll keep calculating those scores. All right, friends, it is now game time. Miss Hinchin, if you can push our video. All right, I hope you have something to write with and something to write on so that you can guess the logos. Which one is the correct logo? All right, friends, let's see if you have a good memory. Can you guess the correct logo? We'll show you 2 images that are similar, except one is a little bit different. So you'll have to choose the right one that is correct. All right, number 1. Ooh, which one of those is the McDonald's logo? Is it the one on the left or the one on the right? Tell your teachers to put it in the chat. All righty. It was the one on the left, friends. All right, which one is the Google symbol? Left or right? Oh, I got a lot of lefts in the chat. All right, if you chose the left side, you were correct. All right, number 3, Xbox symbol. Left or right, friends? Ooh, that one's a little hard. Got me a lot of rights. A lot of people are saying right. Let's see if they're
I bet the
correct.
kids got it.
The kids got it. All right, it's at the top. Good job. It is the right. Number 4. Ooh, that one's kind of hard. Left or right? Okay, I got a right. A right. Somebody said left. Someone said right. Left. Left is the correct answer. All right, that's number 5. Ooh, Microsoft. Which one is correct? Left, right, left. I'm getting a lot of left and right. Getting a lot of lefts and rights. Okay, so the right one was correct. Number 6. We're just gonna do 10, friends. Ooh, dominoes. Oh, I never thought about dominoes. They look the same. Left. I have a lot of people saying left. Right. I have one right and one right. Okay, it was the right one. Okay, 3 more, friends. Ooh, Adidas. Ooh, which way do those lines go for Adidas? Left, right, left, left, left. I got a lot of lefts. Left is correct. Yes, Adidas, the lines go up left. Okay, number 8. Ooh, that was tricky. Right. Okay, right, 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 left, left. Okay, the answer is right. All right, friends, this is our last one. Oh, actually, we have one more. This is number 9. Ooh, Starbucks, your teachers may know this one. Ask your teachers for the answer. Left, I have left, 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 right, oh, one right. Oh, it's the right one. She just has 1 star at the top of her crown. 1 star. Okay, last one, friends. Ooh, which one is that? Looks like a circle and a diamond. Which one? Oh, someone says left. Left. I see a lot of lefties. Left, left, left. Left. Left is correct. Congratulations. If your class got all 10 right, shoot me an email. I want to know who got all 10 right. Great job, friends.
All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed our first house assembly that we did live. We will continue to bring this to you every week. We are so proud of the hard work you put into school. We will see you next week. Miss Stewart and Miss Washington, you got anything else to share with us?
Just have a great weekend, guys, and be safe out there.
Have a great weekend, guys. See you on Monday.
Bye.